Alright, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we came out here to the hills. You feel me? We're gonna be riding dirt bikes, quads. Yeah, we're gonna see what it do. Quick shout out, I wanna give a big shout out to one of the, one of the goons that made this possible. His name is Johnny. His YouTube channel is Johnny Art Dirt Bike. Feel free to check him out, guys. Really appreciate it because he lets us use his stuff. Most of the stuff in the videos is his, some of the stuff is other people's, but big shout out to him. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video.
Let's go, let's start.
I just pull it?
You might do it on the angle.
Okay, just click on it?
The angle, it like shuts off.
Alright guys, so this section is going to be looping riding because he's a little bit more advanced, so he's going to take y'all out there in the deep, in the trenches. You feel me? I can't do all that, but this segment will be him.
Por donde quiera, con damas y camaradas. Marco, por tanto de tiempo es el retrato. Hago todo el tiempo a ver un perfil bajo en la orilla, en la brasa, yo ando de aquí para arriba. Mira, cuando el semáforo da luz amarilla, amigos son los que traigo colgando, no más. Contados son los que me han demostrado su estimo y vivo solo para mi familia.
Alright, what's good, y'all? This is the end of the video, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. It's a little different from like what usually I do, and it was a little bit difficult because I wasn't able to really like control the camera most of the time. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, hopefully, you know, I'm able to come out again out here. Like I said, shout out to Johnny. Shout out to everybody that made this happen. Go check him out. His name is Johnny Art Dirt Bike. You know, he does all this stuff like breakdowns on quads, dirt bikes, how to change stuff. He's got new projects always going, so check out his channel. Feel free to give him, you know, some love. Peace. See you on the next video.